Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 keyboard shortcuts and hotkeys are not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Second method is unplugged and plugged your keyboard. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall Devi, click Uninstall. Sixth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Human Interface Device Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, click Restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.